Hello and welcome. In today's video, I will show you step by step how to change the email address linked to your Twitch account using the Twitch app on your Android phone. Whether you want to update your contact details or secure your account, this guide will help you do it quickly and easily. First, open the Twitch app on your Android phone. Make sure you're signed in and then go to the Profile section. Next, scroll down and tap on Account Settings. After that, select Security and Privacy. Following this, tap on Email and then click on Change Email. Now enter your new email address in the provided field. Finally, press the Submit button to save your new email. Twitch will now send a verification code to your new email address. Once you receive the code, copy it. Then return to the Twitch app, paste the code in the verification box, and click Submit again. Your email will be successfully updated. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments below.